Hello. If you visited before, thanks for coming back. If you're new here, welcome. Check out my channel intro to get acquainted. My name is Pierre-Antoine, and today we're going to learn how to handle allergens. Food allergens are one of the leading causes of foodborne illnesses. Proper allergen handling in restaurants and food production facilities is essential to protect customers, comply with regulations, and avoid costly legal issues. In this video, we'll cover key practices for managing allergens with a focus on storage, handling, and sanitation. What are food allergens? Well, they're proteins in certain foods that trigger immune responses in certain individuals. Common allergens include milk, eggs, soy, wheat, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, and sesame. Allergic reaction symptoms range from mild, like itching or hives, to severe, like anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. So first, let's talk about storage of allergens. Proper storage is critical to prevent cross-contact, which would be the unintentional transfer of allergens to non-allergen foods. Keep your allergens in a separate area from your non-allergens food. Use color-coded bins for identification. And don't store allergen products above non-allergen products to prevent cross-contamination in case of leaking. Also, clearly label all ingredients, products, and storage areas where allergens are present. You'll also want to make sure you include allergen warnings on packaging and labels. Next, let's talk about how to handle allergens. Safe handling minimizes the risk of cross-contact during food preparation and service. You'll want to use separate equipment like knives, cutting boards, or mixers when you're preparing allergen food. You can clearly label or color code any tool that's used specifically for allergens. Try to designate an area for allergen preparation and make sure the area is sanitized before and after the use of the allergen. Lastly, you'll want to train staff to make sure they can recognize the allergens and follow standard procedures to prevent cross-contamination. Emphasize the importance of accurate communication about allergens to customers. Now let's discuss cleaning and sanitation of allergens. Thorough cleaning and sanitation are essential for allergen control. You can use standard operating procedures for defining what you can do with allergens for sanitation. I talk more about these in my Food Safety Basics sanitation video. Pay special attention to harder to reach areas like crevices or conveyor belts when you're cleaning up after using an allergen. And avoid reusing water or oil used in the preparation of allergen-containing food or sanitation of utensils or equipment. For example, if you clean the cutting board and knife that were used in the preparation of an allergen-containing food in a 3-sink setup, then make sure you replace your soapy water after that. You can also implement allergen tests to verify that the cleaning was done properly. Allergen test kits are available for all kinds of allergens. Finally, you'll need to make sure that all this information is communicated to all of your employees and potentially your customers as well. It will be vital for customer safety. You can clearly identify allergens on menus using icons or text for easy identification. Train your staff to ask about allergies and confirm allergen-safe options. If you have strong procedures for allergen handling, your staff will feel confident about offering allergen-safe option, knowing the risk of cross-contamination is fully managed. One last thing I'll add is you need to make sure that your suppliers are clear about their use of allergens. You should start by reviewing their certifications and maybe their allergen management practices. Their ingredients and products need to be clearly labeled so that you know what is or is not an allergen-containing food. You can watch my video on how to vet suppliers to learn more about that. Proper allergen handling is a critical component of operation in a restaurant or a food production facility. By understanding allergens, implementing strict storage and sanitation practices, and fostering clear communication, you can protect your customers, maintain regulatory compliance, and enhance your reputation for safety. So make sure you prevent cross-contact, label everything, and educate your staff to ensure safe service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.